This is Frankie McDonald, my own TV station live from Naval Park. Attention citizens of Michigan! Attention citizens of Minnesota! Attention citizens of North Dakota! Attention citizens of South Dakota! Blizzard warning has been issued for Minnesota. Supposed to be a lot of snow going to hit Minnesota this Sunday coming up. Winds will be real powerful. Supposed to be real powerful winds. Real high winds. Zero visibilities. All streets covered with snow for Michigan, Dakotas, and Minnesota. Blizzard will be really powerful. It may knock out power. It may blow the transformers down. It may knock all the power lines down. It may bring down the power lines down. People in Minnesota, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready. Have your winter jackets, hats and gloves and scarves and ski bases ready. Have your extra blanket ready. Have your thermoses ready. Have your thermos cup ready. Have your everything ready. It's supposed to be real powerful blizzard going to hit Minnesota this Sunday coming up. On Sunday, February 26th, 2012. Blizzard will be real powerful. Have your candles ready. Have your flashlights and canned foods ready. Have your all kinds of treats ready. Have your chips ready. Order your pizzas on the night before a blizzard like that happens in Minnesota. It's supposed to be a real powerful blizzard. Order your Chinese food. Order your pizzas a day before the big storm's going to hit Minnesota. When the big blizzard hits there, on the day before that, get to your grocery stores and buy everything. And buy all your food there a day before the huge blizzard going to hit Minnesota this Sunday coming up, including Michigan, North Dakota, South Dakota, and even southern Manitoba. It's supposed to be a real powerful blizzard going to hit Minnesota this Sunday coming up. Best luck to ya. People in Minnesota, be prepared for the huge blizzard with strong winds, zero visibilities, bad roads, icy roads, snow-covered streets, snow-covered interstate highways. Good luck. Be prepared.